Somewhere in your kitchen right now, there is an expired item you do not know about. There is a duplicate of something you bought because you could not find the first one. There is an ingredient you have searched for 3 times this week and still cannot locate in under 30 seconds. Your pantry is not disorganized because you are lazy or careless. It is disorganized because nobody ever showed you the system that makes organization effortless to build, and more importantly, effortless to maintain. Today, that system arrives. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell, because a well-organized pantry does not just save time. It saves money, reduces food waste, and removes a source of daily stress that you have been quietly carrying for years. The pantry that defeats you daily. Let me describe a moment that happens in most kitchens multiple times every week. You are cooking. The recipe needs something specific, like a spice, a tin, a packet of something you are certain you bought recently. You open the pantry. You look, you move things. You look behind other things. You find 3 items you forgot you owned. You do not find the thing you need. You either make do without it, or you add it to the shopping list for the 3rd time this month, buying a duplicate of something that is almost certainly somewhere in that cupboard. Buried, expired, invisible. The system, built to last. The foundation of every pantry system that actually endures is a principle called first in, first out. It sounds like warehouse logistics because it is. It's the same principle that every grocery store, every restaurant kitchen, every food production facility uses to manage stock without waste. New items go to the back. Older items come to the front. Every time you use something, you take from the front. Every time you restock, you place new items behind the existing ones. The maintenance. Why this system lasts when others do not. Here is the distinction between a pantry system that lasts years and one that lasts 4 days. A system that requires ongoing effort to maintain will eventually be abandoned when life becomes busy enough that the effort feels unreasonable. A system that is maintained almost automatically as a byproduct of normal kitchen use will endure indefinitely because it does not depend on motivation or available time. First in, first out is maintained automatically every shopping trip in 30 extra seconds. Category zones are maintained automatically when every item has a clear labeled home that makes putting it in the right place as easy as putting it anywhere else. Decanted containers are maintained automatically when refilling them becomes the natural habitual response to noticing they are running low. The monthly pantry audit takes 10 minutes once a month, checking expiry dates on items in the back of each zone and moving any approaching their date to the front. This is the only scheduled maintenance this system requires. 10 minutes a month to prevent waste, prevent expired food, and keep the system genuinely functional rather than allowing it to drift back toward the entropy that preceded it. Your pantry has been a source of small daily frustration for longer than you should have had to tolerate. The duplicate purchases, the expired discoveries, the 3-minute searches for items that should take 3 seconds to find. None of that was inevitable. It was the predictable result of a space managed by impulse rather than system. First in, first out. Consistent category zones with visible labels. Strategic decanting of daily use items. A 10-minute monthly audit. 4 principles. 1 afternoon to implement. A pantry that works for you every single day from this point forward. Not because you keep organizing it, but because the system does the organizing for you. Open that pantry door tomorrow morning. Find what you need in 10 seconds. Cook without searching. Shop without duplicating. Eat before expiry. That is not a dream kitchen. That is a system, and now it is yours. If this finally gave you the pantry system you have been looking for, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more kitchens that deserve this. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so organization insights like these always find you first. Share it with someone whose pantry has been defeating them for too long. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.